Hey guys, welcome to Atitafitness. So if you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So today I want you guys to spend the weekend with me. I just came to pick my food, and today we have sushi. See, so that's fish. It's a tuna. I just want to eat really quick before I take you guys around and get to spend the whole day with me. So please, if you want to see how I spend my day, just stick here with me. And for those who watch my YouTube, for those who watch my Instagram videos, I'm going to make a reel on this water which is going viral online. I just found it and I'm like, you know what, this water here, it goes for $3.99. It's a hard bottle. So if you guys know Ashton from Instagram, he has been going viral. I think he gained almost over 8 million subscribers. See, subscribers on Instagram, we call them followers on Instagram. So I'm going to try my best, give it my best, my morning routine, and I can't wait. I bought 2 bottles, so if you want to watch this video on Instagram, please go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Atitafitness. Leave a comment that you followed me from YouTube. So okay guys, let's eat. And on weekends I try to treat myself, like I go out and find something that I can eat. I haven't had sushi for some time, so that's why I have this one here. And I want to know, like, how many of you guys can eat sushi. So I just cleaned my hands, and let me show you. This is fish. This is what I'm eating, guys. It's so yummy. I used to be a picky eater, so nowadays I don't really care what I eat, as much as I know that it's good for me, some protein and carbohydrates, and I'm getting some nutrients from the fish. I'm good to go. So again, if you're a picky eater outside there, just you know, we are here for a short time. Don't limit yourself. Eat food. Another fish, let me show you guys how it looks like. Fish. This is the meat from the fish which is not cooked. So I want to know, can you eat? It's so good. Guys, the sun is really nice outside today, so let's go to the car wash before we drive around. And yeah, I think a lot of people were asking me about the car wash that I paid for last time. I remember I did a video on the same. I paid $19 a month because, you know, I take my car there at least 2 times a month, or sometimes 3 times, because, you know, I'm adventuring, I'm driving around and all that. And someone commented, like, why do you have to have a car wash subscription? So I like my car clean, and there's some things that I don't do. I don't drink and all that. I don't spend my money on drinking alcohol and all that. So spending on the things that I like, I think I was giving you guys as ideas, like, hey, you can pay for a subscription for like monthly, which is cheaper. And if you take a car for like a single wash, it's $20. Like, that's a single wash, and I used to wash my car like 2 times a month. So being budget friendly and all that, I was like, you know what, I'm going to get a membership, and the membership is only $19. So that's why I'm doing it. Today it's a Saturday here, so let's go wash the car, and then I will take you guys to the next place. Okay, let's go.
Best thing, well, that's ever happened to you can't keep up, you fall behind. a bird and wild, a freight train you can't stop.
Now I am headed to do my workout with my friend. Just a simple workout for the weekend. I don't want to push myself so hard because, you know, during the week that's what I do. So okay, I'll show you guys what I am going to do for my workout. Keep it here, beautiful outside there. Again, guys, thank you for supporting me. Keep watching my videos and I really appreciate you. I can't wait for us to hit 50,000 subscribers before the end of this year. That's my biggest goal. And you know what, I'm learning so much, especially when it comes to content creation, how you're supposed to be natural with the camera. So those are the things that I was struggling with at the beginning, but you know, every step counts. I'm making a step every time and I feel like I'm getting better, even with editing, taking videos with certain angles and all that. So all these things you have to do. You have to keep creating content for you to get better. But otherwise, if you're sitting outside there to feel like you're going to wait until you get better, then you start creating content. Pro or sis, mom, just go for it. Do whatever makes you happy. I think this is the online community, but make sure you have social intelligence. If you don't, please, I will recommend that you take a master class and try to understand how you're supposed to deal with social media, which kind of information that you're supposed to share, so that you don't get yourself into trouble every time, you know. So kwa watu wangu wa Kenya wenye mnaangalia hii video, asante sana from the bottom of my heart. Nashukuru sana. You guys have been so supportive from day one and I really appreciate, and I can't wait to share more content. Muniambie mase, mimi niko hapa America, muniambie nione ni ni content gani nyinyi mnataka kuona, so that nichue this is what I am supposed to share for you guys. At least, like, you know, I'm trying to balance, but muniambie nyinyi ndio number one mase. Okay. Hey guys, I just had a good workout, so I'm done. I'm going to Chipotle to get the Mexican burrito. So, you know, on weekends I try to eat out, and they're very affordable. During the week I have a meal plan. I stick with my food throughout the week. Sometimes it's boring, but I have to eat. Weekends, time to treat myself. So let's go ahead and get some Chipotle burrito. So go with me, guys.
There's something about the way he talks to me.
May I get a bowl, please? Yeah.
Any pork black?
Can I do pork?
Well,
Yeah. Extra.
any protein for you?
Chicken.
Any hot, medium, mild, or console?
Guacamole. This one. Yep. That's it. Thank you. Yeah.
Life can sometimes feel like it's only dragging you down, dragging you down. Just remember you will always rise. Let your body go and don't think twice. If you meet a stranger with the deepest eyes, come on, come on, come on.
Hey Bob, I like your car. It's so cool. Okay, let's go. It's a nice car.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Something in the way she looks at him, the way she looks at him now. A sadness in her eyes.
Hey guys, so I am here ready to face my fears, and I've been wanting to do a backflip for a long time. So I'm here. You guys are going to be my judges, and let's do it. That was easy. I've never done a backflip before, so this is my first time. Ah! That's it for today, guys. Yeah, I'm so tired. I'm also scared, like, you know, I'm going to land on my head. For those guys who can do backflips outside there easy, congrats, man. It has taken me a long time to be able to do what I am doing right now. That's why I tell everyone, if you want to do anything, just take simple steps. It's baby steps, you know. People will think like I can do all these things and all that, but no. I never did any kind of gymnastics when I was young, so I have to be very careful. My bones are very stiff and they're not trained with this kind of exercises. I have to work on them. I have to learn the basics. But you know what? We wanna keep trying next time. So guys, if you watched my video all the way to the end, please go ahead and subscribe to Atitafitness. Join the family. We are looking forward to 50k. I can't wait before the end of this year. And I have 2 places that I'm going to go to, so I'm not going to tell you guys where I'm going, but some random some random fun places that I'm going to take you guys. Take my camera, take your on vacation with me, and have fun together, since you know I decided that I am going to do this with you. So thank you guys for your support. Atitafitness Farm. Bye.